Hello and welcome to Englicast. Today, I want to talk with you about a silent enemy that comes to every learner, steals their time, energy, and big dream. It is laziness. How many times did you sit to start learning English and then said, "Tomorrow I will start seriously"? How many times did you download an app to learn words but did not open it? How many times did you watch videos about learning English, but you did not do anything from them? I know this feeling because I had it too. But today, I want to tell you the solution is here. It is not about superpower or strong will, but about habits. Have you ever thought that the habits you do every day decide your future? Let me tell you something important. No one becomes a fluent speaker overnight. Everyone you see now speaks English well. They were not born like this. They made very small habits and continued every day. Habits for building effective English learning. Habit 1. Start with only 2 minutes every day. Many people say, "I will start tomorrow 1 hour." But the truth, they never start. Example, when you wake up, take your phone and open a dictionary app like Cambridge or Oxford. Find one word only, read its meaning, and listen to its pronunciation. Only 1 or 2 minutes. Why? Because Easy Start removes doubt and opens the door for continuity. Often 2 minutes become 10 minutes without feeling. Habit 2. Make English part of your daily life. Do not make language a separate task. Make it part of your day. For example, when you wear your clothes, say in English, "I'm wearing a black shirt and blue jeans." When you see something you like, say, "This view is amazing." When you talk to yourself, try to think in a simple English sentence instead of Arabic. The idea is to plant English in your details so it will not feel strange to you. Habit 3. Write your daily goal with your hand. Writing makes mental commitment stronger. For example, take a small paper or notebook. Every morning write, "Today, I will learn 3 new words and use them in a sentence." The mind treats written words more seriously than words you just think. Habit 4. Reward yourself after achievement. Do not wait for big result to be happy. Celebrate small steps. Example, you learned 5 new words. Good. Give yourself a cup of coffee or watch a fun video in English as a reward. Why? Because the brain links positive experience and encourages repetition. Habit 5. Learn at the same time every day. Routine turns action into a habit without mental effort. Example, make after dinner or before sleep. A fixed time to learn the language. Set an alarm named English Time. After 2 weeks, you will find yourself open the book or app automatically. Habit 6. Use a notebook for English. Divide the notebook into 3 parts. 1. New words. 2. Sentences from movies or songs. 3. Your common mistakes and their correction. Every week, open the notebook and review what you wrote. This notebook will be your progress map. Do not let words evaporate. Keep them safe. Habit 7. Speak out loud even if you are alone. Pronunciation is a skill built by practice. For example, choose a sentence from a series or movie. Repeat it out loud. "How are you doing today?" Then record your voice and listen. Compare yourself with the original speaker. Do not be shy. You train to be a better version of yourself. Habit 8. Listen while doing your daily tasks. Listening puts language in your subconscious without feeling. For example, while washing dishes, listen to a podcast like Englicast, or while walking, listen to a short story in English. With time, you will notice you understand without translation. Habit 9. Make a friend to talk with in English. Practice with others breaks fear barrier. Find a learning partner using apps like Tandem or Hello Talk. Or simply imagine you have an imaginary friend and say, "Hey, let me tell you what happened today." Practice out loud, even if alone, trains mind and tongue together. Habit 10. Review every week what you learned. Repetition is the secret that makes the difference. For example, choose Friday. Sit and open your notebook. Reread 20 words you learned during the week and make sentences with them. This fixes learning and shows real progress. Habit 11. Make every word an unforgettable story. The brain does not remember abstract words easily, but loves stories. For example, you learned the word embarrassed. Do not write only its meaning. Write a small story. I was embarrassed when I said kitchen instead of chicken in front of the whole class. When you link a word with an experience, even imagined, it becomes part of you. Habit 12. Watch your favorite scene again, but with a new focus. Instead of watching a whole movie, choose a short scene from a series or movie you like. Watch it every day for a week, but each time with a different goal. For example, first day, focus on new words. Second day, focus on pronunciation. Third day, try to imitate speaking style. This deep repetition turns the scene into a full language lesson you never forget. Habit 13. Use a daily achievement calendar. Daily learning is not about perfection, but about continuity. Print a monthly calendar, and every day you learn, put a mark. Do not allow an empty day. After 30 days, you will see a chain of success and hate to break it. Habit 14. Challenge yourself with a small language task every week. Make each week a new adventure. For example, this week, try to write a post on Facebook or Twitter in English. Next week, ask a question on a site like Reddit or Quora. After that, try to translate a small scene from a movie. These challenges take you out of comfort zone and light your passion. Habit 15. Make every mistake a chance to grow. Do not run from mistake. Face it with a smile. For example, did you make a pronunciation mistake? Good. Write the word, listen to it, repeat it, then record your voice saying it 3 times. Did you use the wrong tense? Go back to the rule and focus on correcting this mistake for 2 days. Every mistake is a door to a new lesson, and the special are those who enter this door. Finally, remember, successful people do not have more time. They have more determination. Start today, not tomorrow. Choose only one habit from these habits and start it tonight. Yes, tonight, not tomorrow. Write to me in comments. What habit did you decide to start? And why? Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell, because every new episode in Englicast brings you closer to your big dream. I believe in you. And as I always say, you are not just a language learner. You are a maker of your dream. And always remember, you do not only learn the language, you remake yourself word by word, habit by habit, until you become the version you always dreamed to be.